You get some spa water. Apparently not. No spa water for you. There you go.
What's it like it? Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Boop. What did you think? Hot and springy?
Hot and springy.
Does it taste any different now?
Hello everybody, it's Editing Jamie. I realized I didn't really film anything else after we went to visit the Jane Austen Center. I wasn't allowed to film in there, so here's some pictures. It was very cool. It was very cool, and it was a beautiful day out in Bath. And this was the one trip that I was like, ooh, we'll stop by the city of Winchester afterwards, which in theory was a good plan. Except it took forever to get there, and then by the time we actually got there, a lot of stuff was closed, because everything in the UK closes relatively early. And so I'm like, you know what, we'll just get something to eat and then we'll leave, which we did. Winchester was beautiful. I wish we got to spend more time there, but like I said, we were trying to squish kind of everything together, and this is kind of where disaster struck. So we got to Winchester super late, everything closed, and then first place we wanted to eat for dinner, fully booked. Went to a different place, got food there. We were both tired because we'd been up since the crack of dawn, and then we were like, okay, well, let's get not the last train, because that seems to always get canceled, but at least like the third to last train. And so we got to the station, lots of people there. They had canceled the last 4 trains of the night, and we had to get back to Brighton. So we had to take like I think it was like a 2-hour bus ride north, which was away from where we were going because we were staying at the very south. So we had to go north on a bus for like 2 hours and then get like a 2-hour train ride back to Brighton. And so we got home extremely late, and we were both very tired from walking around all day. But that was pretty much the end of the Bath day. But the day itself was beautiful. Lots of places had Wi-Fi, which was great, so we could connect there. Food was delicious. People were super nice. It was amazing to see some of these historical sites.